Today's topic is basic properties of fluid. Myself Shushankar Reddy, I am from Europe section. Properties of fluid. Fluid is a substance which can flow. Flow of any substance means a continuous relative motion between different particles of the substance. Both liquids and gases are included in fluids. A gas differs from liquid as the volume of the liquid becomes definite, but volume of gas does not remain definite. The main properties of fluids are listed below: density, viscosity, temperature, pressure, specific volume, specific weight, specific gravity, surface tension, vapor pressure, capillary cavitation. Density. Density is the mass per unit volume of a fluid. Viscosity is a fluid property that determines the amount resistance of a fluid is to shorter stress. Temperature is a fluid property that gives the measure of the hotness or coldness of a fluid or measure of intensity of a fluid. Pressure. Fluid pressure is the most often to the compressive stress on some point with a fluid. Specific volume. Specific volume is defined as a ratio of the material's volume to its mass. It is B. Reciprocal of the density of material. Specific weight. Specific weight of a fluid is defined as the weight per unit volume is denoted by Y. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the specific weight of the given fluid to the specific weight. Surface tension. Surface tension is a tendency of liquid surface to share in maximum surface area. Vapor pressure. The vapor pressure of a liquid is the equivalent pressure of a vapor above the liquid. Capillarity. Capillarity is the availability of a liquid of flow to in a small passage such as a tube of a small cross-sectional area. Cavitation. Cavitation is the process of a formation from vapor bubbles or vapor-filled cavities of a flowing. Thank you.